We've all been there, staring at hundreds of cryptic codes, afraid to hit enter because you might break a live reservation. But learning Amadeus shouldn't be a solo mission. Meet Guided Learning, your personal AI tutor that helps you practice safely. First, select Guided Learning from your tools. Then, paste this prompt into the description to set the scene. I want to learn the Amadeus reservation system. Guide me step by step. To build a passenger name record, or PNR, we always start with a flight. We need to check availability using the code AN. The structure is simple: AN, the date, and the city pair. So for Addis Ababa to New York on December 10th, we type AN 10 DEC ADD JFK. Let's look at the results. Line 1 shows Ethiopian Airlines Flight 500. See that 9? It means plenty of seats are open. Now let's grab a seat. This is called selling, or SS. The formula is SS, number of passengers, class, and line number. To sell one seat in economy from line 1, we type SS1Y1. Perfect. You've secured the seat. Now, to create the file, we need 5 mandatory elements. Just remember the acronym PRINT. We have the itinerary, so let's do the name. The code is NM. Since it's one person, use NM1. The format is strict: surname / first name tile. For Mr. John Doe, enter NM1 DOE / John MR. Spot on. Next, in print, is T for ticketing. Even if they aren't paying yet, the system needs a deadline. We use TK for the transaction and TL for time limit. Let's set it for December 1st. TK TL 01 DEC. Moving on to P for phone. We need a way to contact the passenger or agency. The code is AP, or add phone. You can simply type the number right after it, like this: AP 212-555-0199. We are almost done. The final letter is R, received from. Think of this as your signature. It tells the system who made the booking. The code is RF. Simply type RF and your name, RF Alex. You've completed the print elements, but the file is just sitting in your temporary folder. To save it and get that famous 6-character code, we use ER, end and retrieve. Type ER, and there it is. Your record locator is generated. You just built your first PNR.
That's a wrap on creating a PNR with Google Gemini Guided Learning. Next, you can try pricing the PNR yourself and explore the tool at your own pace. In the upcoming videos, we'll show you how Google Gemini can supercharge your self-learning in the travel industry, handling more complex queries as you grow. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and watch your workflow become faster, smarter, and easier. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.